Hi guys, Sean here from Concept Chemicals and welcome to another Ask the Professor. And obviously we did an headlamp restoration. Another request that we've actually had in is polishing a plastic trim. So basically the trims on the car, where you're washing them down, you're actually putting swirl marks and holograms through the cleaning process. So there's a quick and simple way to do it. As with anything, well, let's actually get in here and let's have a look at the problem, because they actually do look quite unsightly. On a nice sunny day where you're actually driving and you're parking it up, these things actually they're the things that actually annoy you when you actually come to look at your car. You spent all day cleaning it and you're still left with these trim areas that are actually, they're quite badly damaged actually, but that happens over a period of time. So we're going to machine that up and see what we can do using, we're going to use a fine compound, and I'm going to use a medium foam, medium cutting foam, just to see what it does. I can also revert to a soft finishing foam if I've got any light swirl marks in there. Because it's quite curved, and that's where these areas are prone to actually getting the swirl marks because of the angles. So let's have a look at it, let's do it. So firstly what we're going to do is, as a lot of these trims actually have a rubber seal on the inside of them, I'm just going to mark that out, or mask it out, just so we actually don't mark it. That then itself creates as another problem. There we go, we're good to go. So as we said, we're going to use a medium cutting foam, and I'm going to use the P40 Extra, which is a fine compound. It's a finishing product. So let's see if this will actually resolve the issue. Let's wipe it down, see what we've got. And let's just put a light into it just to see if we actually need to be a little bit more aggressive on that. Yeah, so realistically, going with the finer product in this instance was actually the right choice. There's a little bit of hologram in there, and maybe I need to go over it once more. The scratches at the bottom I've actually put in with a cloth. I could actually see myself putting them in. I've got a line here. But if you go back up, you can see that's quite clear, and that's probably done 98% of the correction. So I'm quite pleased with that. So let's do a second step with the same product, or second application, just to finish it off. So guys, obviously I hope that answers your question. How do we actually correct exterior plastics, polished plastics on a car? So we've obviously got swirl marks, holograms, and a slight fade in the colour. So I've used, and I keep reinforcing this, I always start off with something that's actually less aggressive, because it frees more time up to actually go and do something else. Yeah, whereas if I start off with a heavy cutting compound, I've got to spend more time actually correcting what the cutting compound's leaving in there. So we've done it with the P40 Extra, which is a finishing product. We've done it with a medium foam, yeah, and we've got some very, very good results. So from a correction perspective with that, without spending a lot of time on it, we've probably got that to probably around about 98% of where we would actually like it. So very, very quick, very easy, very simple. So if you like it, hit the like button. If you've got any comments, put them in the comment section below. If you want us to do any more how-to videos or problem-solving videos, put them in the comment section below. Failing that, I'll see you very, very soon for another Ask the Professor.